Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Dodge Ram. Getting locked out of your truck can be frustrating, but there are safe and effective ways to regain entry without causing damage. We will explore practical techniques and the right tools to use. Remember, safety and preserving your vehicle's condition are always the top priorities. Let's get your Ram unlocked and get you back on the road. One common and relatively safe do-it-yourself method involves using an air wedge and a reach tool. First, gently insert a deflated air wedge into the top corner of the door frame. Inflate it slowly to create a small, workable gap, about 1/2 inch. Then, slide a long, coated reach tool through this opening. Carefully maneuver the tool to either pull the interior door handle or press the electronic unlock button. Always work slowly to avoid bending the door frame or scratching the paint. Another method, though requiring more finesse, is using a modified coat hanger. Straighten a metal hanger and bend one end into a small hook. Carefully slide it between the window and weather stripping to try and hook the interior lock. Also, check your key fob. Many have a hidden physical key that slides out, allowing you to manually unlock the driver's side door. This is often the simplest solution if your fob battery is dead or the remote isn't working. While do-it-yourself methods can be effective, the safest and most reliable option is often to call a professional locksmith. They have specialized tools, like pump wedges and professional reach tools, designed to open your Dodge Ram without causing any damage to the paint, window, or internal mechanisms. If you are unsure, in a hurry, or worried about damaging your truck, a locksmith can provide quick, expert assistance, saving you potential repair costs and stress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.